Okay, so this is my BadBank app. Here I'm going to log in. And if I do not do enough characters, well, let me see that one. We need to create an account first. So create an error for that. Let's create the account first. We try to do a password that's less than 8 characters. Get an error. We put in 8 characters. And let this go in. Let's log in. Okay, so we're in deposit. We have a starting balance of 100. Let's add on 100. Deposit, I did have an issue with it basically concatenating the numbers like a string. So I just put parse in so it would recognize as an integer. And here we're going to withdraw 100. And then we're going to look at all data. And this is the user that we created. This is our current balance since we deposited 100, withdrew 100. So with the BadBank, I did have quite a few little issues. I had an issue with routing. It took me a long time to figure that out. And I tried a couple of different routing methods. And I'm using React now with routing. And then I was using 2 different bootstraps. I used React Bootstrap in the end. And then I was finding different things to use, and well, with the routing too, I saw that people were using Switch before, but people don't use Switch; they use routes now to route it. So that was a little confusing. And then I realized if I did something a little bit different, it basically broke the whole app. So it took a long time. I didn't really do anything extra special for it. I was just trying to get the functionality down. I did use some forms here to input the data. It seemed like to be the best thing to use. And yeah, so I did do a lot because the starter code really didn't really have anything in it. The routing method might have even been different with the starting code. I've done so many things with it. But yeah, so this is the BadBank app.